Take a look at these. Japanese import vehicles have always been popular here at home, but servicing them has been nearly impossible until JDM Repair Hawaii opened up as the only qualified first ever full service repair facility for Japanese import in the state.
This is our brand new state-of-the-art JDM Auto Repair location. It is the only one in Hawaii that's dedicated to 100% JDM repair. It was needed because after we've imported about 300 plus K trucks and vans combination, we started to get a lot of requests, and also naturally because we've imported that many, in the beginning we found it hard to find shops to repair our cars. We went through shop after shop and it was just hard, and we said, I got to do something. So I put it in works to make a shop, and this is where we are right now. At our King Street location, because of the small limited space, we weren't able to accommodate because we started to fix our own cars. We literally cut out all the other shops because we just didn't want to deal with it, and we started to repair our own cars. The reason why is when they come in, we service them before they get sold. So we don't just buy and sell kind of thing. So we want to make sure that the car you're getting is taken care of. We check a lot of the things: engine, transmission, drive axle, and now with the state-of-the-art massive facility, we can take everyone. For example, there's a car on our lot. The customer had it in his garage for a year. Couldn't find a shop to fix it. His wife happened to be walking by, saw it, she was ecstatic. And the next day they brought it in and we have it looking at it right now. We have a full service, so we have sales, service, and aftercare, which is very important. So everyone who buys a car from us, you're part of the family. It's not like you just get a car from someone on Facebook or Craigslist, you buy from them and you're gone. We're here to welcome you as a family. We want to make sure your cars are taken care of for as long as you have it. You can come down here and get everything done except for alignments. That's the only thing we don't do at this physical location. So we have a new discount service that we're unveiling. It's a series of discounts from 10 to 75% off. For more information, check out our website at jdmrepairhawaii.com or give us a call at 808-744-1698.